In the vibrant mosaic of our world, ecosystems are complex networks of life, illustrating a delicate balance between organisms and their environments that has endured through time. Biodiversity stands at the core of these systems, highlighting the resilience and adaptability of life on Earth. Each species contributes to the web of life, ensuring the planet's stability and health. Yet, this equilibrium is now at risk due to human activities. The once subtle disturbances in our ecosystems have transformed into significant forces of change, dismantling habitats and displacing wildlife. As the forests and oceans face these impacts, we are called to reflect on our role within this grand narrative. Moving forward, we will delve into the implications of our actions on nature, exploring opportunities to restore the balance we've disrupted. Navigating the intricate web of life, we encounter the equilibrium ecosystems maintain, yet we also face imminent challenges. Climate change, a relentless force, affects every corner of the planet, from polar ice to local communities. The rising temperatures, shifting weather patterns, and advancing sea levels signal a crisis beneath which lies the urgent issue of biodiversity loss. The disappearance of species disrupts the harmony of existence, echoing through forests and oceans alike. These ecosystems present unique struggles, embodying the broader environmental challenges before us. As we continue to uncover these realities, it becomes apparent that the journey ahead lies in fostering understanding, action, and hope. By confronting what's at stake and investing in future possibilities, we set the stage for a narrative of restoration, emphasizing that, despite the obstacles, our story progresses towards balance. On this journey, we've discovered the beauty and perils facing our ecosystems. Armed with this knowledge, we recognize the path to restoration is within reach. Innovative conservation efforts illuminate our capacity for change, from reforestation projects rejuvenating forests to community actions safeguarding species. Education and awareness elevate our understanding, empowering choices that cultivate a sustainable rapport with Earth. Envisioning a hopeful future, we celebrate each victory in our collective movement towards a harmonious coexistence with nature. This narrative is not about the end but the beginning of our ongoing effort to heal the planet. United in purpose and optimistic in spirit, we proceed, understanding that the saga of our ecosystems continues to evolve, with every one of us playing a pivotal role in crafting its outcome.